I could say I wasn't out for the profit at all. I'd be lying, but I guess I would fit in with y'all. You deny it under fire, I bet you would crawl for your desire to be put in the face of your palm. You can see I live a little bit different. For instance, all I really got is some intent to make sense of what I'm living in for dividends. Full of dead ends, fake friends who won't pretend to be on my corner. I notice and I'm well aware, but me, I would never consider showing them I care. There isn't a point, I go and get mine. So when it's my time, all I can say at least that I tried. See, I was built for the big leagues. What are you in it for? The key to be set free is not when you can afford. So please let me breathe. My God-given ability seems to be seen as some sort of artillery. I never sweat it, forget it, I'm on the bigger things. And if I did it, well then it would be a fucking shame. It wouldn't be fair to even compare the ones who really wanna eat and one who's looking to share. I need a bigger piece. Are you feeling me? Only so that I can split it with my fam. See, I don't wanna celebrate on my own. Tell me what good is Patron when you're drinking alone. Tell me what I gotta do. I really wanna know to make you reconsider who you figure you'd oppose. There is no reason for me to boast to y'all, but if I may, I would like to say a few words to y'all. Quite okay that you wanna be in my place before. Back, matter of fact, stay clear of my lane. I came too far to get my position in any of you lanes. There ain't no way to get what I got, it isn't a game. Big dreams, sleep on me please. Guarantee I can wake you with ease. So key when you're living on the edge of your seat. Big dreams, sleep on me please. Guarantee I can wake you with ease. So key when you're living on the edge of your seat. You see, it seems that I lost my way. Touche, but today is not yesterday. You see, it seems that I lost my way. Touche, but today is not yesterday. Big dreams, sleep on me please. Guarantee I can wake you with ease. So key when you're living on the edge of your seat. Big dreams. You wanna be the winner or someone involved. Reconsider who you with and what side are you on. Try to see us either either you're bound to be gone. So be a leader or be seen as a regular pawn. Now I know I gotta serve this purpose. The worthless emerge to be heard but weren't shit. Did them all a favor, put them all up on the dirt. Can bet I put in work to get what I deserve. Never would I sweat them, I can't imagine I should. Let me go and dead them, I do what you never could. Took it as a blessing, don't get it misunderstood. A lesson on progression, I'm guessing would do you good. What a pity, isn't it? Bunch of fucking idiots, I guess I'm inconsiderate. Wanna get rid of it, take apart your crew and do it all legitimate. But really what's the benefit? To tuck another buck inside of my pocket, to run amok and be another runner with profit on weak shit. Take a seat, bitch, you can see this. I'm conceited with a reason. Put my feet in the game and I made my name be the main thing that's peaking. Can you hear me though? On the radio? No, fuck them anyway, they never beneficial though. Few raps in a jar full of kush, so at last I can ash on the past while I push. Had to blast, but at last I'ma need is some paper. I need it now and I ain't tryna wait later. Cannot fade what's in front of you, I stand out. So make way, you'll be run over with no doubt. I'm all about being one up on you all now. Never slow down, don't think I know how. Big dreams, sleep on me please. Guarantee I can wake you with ease. So key when you're living on the edge of your seat. Big dreams, sleep on me please. Guarantee I can wake you with ease. So key when you're living on the edge of your seat. You see, it seems that I lost my way. Touche, but today is not yesterday. You see, it seems that